Today we're out at Swiftships LLC in Morgan City, Louisiana to show them the EQ2 EcoQuip vapor abrasive blasting technology and see how we can help their blasting and painting operations improve by using vapor abrasive blasting. We are going to be using the EcoQuip 2 to blast on a ship. Today we're going to be talking with Mr. Julio Bosses about the EcoQuip 2 and the versatility of it and how it can help him and Swift Shipyards.
We do a lot of commercial boats for the oil field. We also do a lot of military boats for the U.S. Navy. We can do everything up to about 250 foot on this yard. What we really like about it is the versatility and the adjustability on it. You can do anything from light sweep just to take the first coat of paint off the top to take it down to bare metal when you're doing repair work. It leaves a nice profile. It actually does it pretty quick. Very little media, very little water, no mess. It gives us the versatility to not stop work in other places while we're doing blast. Any level of blaster can actually use it, and the volume of work you get out of it is uncomparable to dry blast. It can do everything that I thought it couldn't do. I can say that Graco has impressed me again.